new ones pronto. Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. As you can see, it's time to get our DIY on, and I need to change out those wreaths on my front door. Plus, I have another very simple idea to add spring to any room. So I'm gonna get started by showing you my Dollar Tree haul, and I picked up a couple of things from Walmart. Let me show you. Okay, you guys, I thought I'd show you what I just got as a little haul, a mini haul from the Dollar Tree and a little bit from Walmart. So I got some chalk paint and plaster from Walmart. That's going to be more of an off-white color. Can't wait to use it. I have these little terracotta pots. I have some ideas for that. And of course, some flower foam to stick some nice little cute spring flowers. I bought some more of this this moss. I've used it before in crafts and I like it. And right next to it were these cute little stones. So I'm gonna definitely see if I can put those to use. I do need some wreaths of some kind, so I didn't know which ones I would prefer. So I got the willow one and I got the framed one, the metal one. So we'll see what I do. They had this jute string in a 3-pack, and they also had it in a 1-pack. So I was like, no brainer. And then I picked up some decorative ribbon. I thought that was kind of cute with the gold. And look at this pretty, like a sea foam green. I'm loving that. Now I follow someone who makes some really fun things out of these Jenga pieces. So let's see if I can get creative and let's see what I can make with them. I just needed to pick up some more glue sticks, and I picked up some lavender and some peonies. I just think these are so pretty, so maybe I'll go back and pick up some more of these if I cannot find what I'm looking for. So far, I'm super loving this crafty stuff for the spring, and let's see what I create. I'll show you soon. I got some really great stuff from the Dollar Tree and from Walmart because I was very specific in the crafts that I wanted to do. Here's the first one. So I will show you right now how I made these. So here you go. Okay, to start, we're gonna turn this upside down and paint. What's really nice about this is I don't want it to be perfect. I kind of like it to kind of see the brush strokes. That's why I'm using a smaller brush. But you can see that you could easily just go over this multiple times to get the coverage you'd like. So do it what looks best for you. And if you want, you can even have some of that terracotta showing, which is kind of neat. One of the bonuses of working with chalk paint is that it dries really fast. And so all I'm gonna do now is just start just kind of painting around the rim and on the inside a little bit, because I'm gonna be putting some plants inside, obviously, so I don't want the terracotta to show. I'd rather it be speckly with paint. It's so easy. So next we're gonna put some of this jute string yarn. I'm not sure what it's called exactly, but it's a jute. And so we're gonna put this at the top. So we're gonna use our glue guns. So please be very careful. I've burned myself multiple times doing this already. So we're just gonna put that in as to hold it. And then we're just gonna go around the top ledge part and just wind it up. I love the way lavenders look. So what you're gonna do is you could either get some snippers, like some wire cutters, and cut them through here, or just use some scissors and kind of go around and then bend it back and forth, and then you'll have some of these. These little sprigs are perfect for the pot, and I'm just gonna put some a base in. So I got this floral foam at the Dollar Tree, and you're just gonna cut them into smaller bits to fit them in the container. And they stink. Why do they stink? Can somebody let me know, as it smells like fish. It's weird. So I'm just gonna make sure this one is ready for, or another pot. And so I'll put them out. I like that one better. I'll put this in a baggie for another project. I did have some leftover moss from another project. This, you just need really a little of it and it goes so far. So I'm happy to have that. I'm just gonna kind of put those inside. And I'm gonna add a little bit of glue to the top just to kind of hold it in place a little, just so it's not falling out everywhere. I do have another pack in case I do run out, but I think I'm gonna be okay. How easy is this, friends? Then I'm gonna bring you some other flowers. I also have some of this baby's breath that I've had for a while now, so I'm just going to trim it with my wire clippers. And then I'm just gonna poke it in. And then while I was at the Dollar Tree, I saw these really cute, these moss stones. Those are so cute to me. So if you're doing like anything with fairies or just some like garden stuff, maybe some succulent displays, man, these would be super cute. So I just thought one would be perfect. And voila, you guys, look. How cute is that? Now let me show you what I've done with some other ones. Didn't that turn out great? It's so easy, right? I mean, like, so easy. And look at how beautiful it is. I love it. Okay, so the next thing I needed to go and do was those wreaths. So you saw the flowers that I got. I actually went back to Walmart and got a couple more because I love them so much, the peonies, and these lavenders I already had from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started on the wreath. So I decided to use the willow wreath. I thought it would be beautiful with the flowers on it, and it has like a nature element to it, so I love that. So I'll just need some glue sticks, my glue gun, and some. All I'm gonna do first is just pop these peonies off, and so they are pretty easy to do. So I'm gonna do that with both bunches. Okay, so far I've pre-put out my, my flowers, so I want more like 6 in the inside, and then they're gonna be like in half. So I'm kind of making like little clusters of flowers. And then I'm also going to use these little moss rocks to add some natural elements into it. Okay, and then I'm just going to add some color in between there. So I'm gonna get started. So you can see here that I have like one bunch done. So I'm now going to take the lavender and put it into spots and use some of these leaves as well to kind of add more to the holes and just to kind of fill it out a little bit more. So let me show you how that goes too. Just a little bit of glue on the leaves. Now I'm just using what came in the bouquet, but if you have better looking leaves, by all means use them for sure. And then I'm also just going to put a little bit of glue on my lavender and kind of just add the pops of color. Be very careful, as you can see probably in my video, that I've been burning myself. So I'm just going to add some more color in here and then do the next set. Okay, I have most of the color on that I want, but I still have some of these that I'm going to fill in, which, because, you know, they're so gorgeous and all, right? Okay, so here it is so far. I had to add a couple more because I ended up having like this little like baldy spot or whatever, you know what I mean. So this is going to be the front, and I made a cute wreath to go on top. Let me show you. So cute. So I'm just gonna hot glue that and I'll show you how I made this cutie wreath. Ooh. Okay, next up I'm gonna show you how to make the bow for the wreath. So you can see here I have some pre-cut. This was from one spool from the Dollar Tree. It was, it's gonna make for 2 wreaths, and this is why. So this is 4 inches, this is 15, and then this is 18. Now when I made 2 of each, and then when I got to the very end, it nearly ran out. So I was supposed to make this one another 18 inches, but you can see it's probably closer to 16 because I cut that last piece in half for both wreaths, and it worked out just fine. So let me show you how I do this. Okay, I'm gonna start with the 15-inch one, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue, if I can control this. And then I'm just gonna wind it up. Be very careful. You don't wanna burn your fingers. And now I'm gonna do the same thing with the 18 one, which is the very long one. And so see, you'll put these 2 on top of each other. So you'll just need to get some floral wire, or if you're like me, I'm just gonna use like baggy wrappers, like from sandwich bags. So let me show you. So now that I have my bow ready, I'm just going to kind of gather it there, take another wrap and attach it on as well. So you can see they're pretty secure in the back over here. And then I'm gonna cover it up with that last 4-inch piece. Ta-da! This bow can now go on my wreath. So here it is. I hope that this was pretty easy. I don't think that I make intricate like crafts and stuff, but I love putting out some different stuff on our front door. Plus, just little things around the house to say what season we're in. I hope that it helps inspire you to put in some really easy spring touches around the house on the cheap. I think I've done all of these crafts for under $20. So thank goodness to the Dollar Tree and for Walmart, am I right? So let me go put these on the front door. I think they look great. How cute. I love the color. Yes, and it's so easy to do. I hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if it's something that you want to see more of. I do love putting out some crafts, and I love these colors. I mean, look at me, I'm in my pink. I'm ready for spring. So thanks for stopping by. I'm so grateful to all of you. And don't worry, there's more recipes coming up because you just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.